In this video, we are going to look at installing IceLedger account system. So to start with, let's search for IceLedger. Make sure you are looking at the iceledger.com, then click on the download page. Select the download type. There's an offline and an online installer. The online is much smaller and it downloads files as needed. The offline installer is intended for computers with slow or no internet access, or if you want to install them on multiple computers. So select your download type, click on the capture, and then download. The online installer will download an additional file as needed during the installation process. So we just wait for the download to complete. Now that the download has completed, run the installation program. Depending on your system settings, you may get this Windows Protected Your PC dialog. If you do, just click on More Info and then choose Run Anyway. Now again, depending on your settings, you may get this user control account dialog asking you whether you want this application to run. Choose Yes. Once the program starts, read the license agreement and click I accept the agreement and Next. And now it's simply a case of following the online instructions and clicking Next, Next. Now the system is going to download SQL Server, so we choose Install. Say yes to download and install now. Now this might take a little while, so you may want to grab a cup of coffee in the meantime. We'll just wait for this to complete, and I may skip the video towards the end, save you having to sit through it. Right, I think we are at the end of the SQL Server installation. Welcome back. We are now into the IceLedger installation process. And done. So click Finish. Okay, we now have a new installation of IceLedger. There is an icon on the desktop. The system will run automatically and do the initial configuration. Because it's being run for the first time, it needs to do some initial configuration. Again, we Click yes to allow this application to make changes. Right, because this is our standalone installation, we make sure that the server or standalone option is selected and click OK. Right, we have success. Setup is complete. We can run Iceledger again. The default installation comes with two companies already set up, a demo company and Jorvik. The demo company is designed for practicing various procedures that you're not sure of, and you should not really use it as a live company. So we're going to select Jorvik and log on as Iceledger, all in lowercase and no spaces. Both the login and the password are case sensitive. So the password is also Iceledger in lowercase. We click OK. We are now logged into the system. We have the main menu on the left hand side. At this point, you may want to watch the video on Quick Overview, which will take you through the different options and features of Iceledger. There is also another video, Quick Startup, that you may want to watch. I will put the links of the two videos in the description below. Thank you for watching Iceledger installation.